Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gillyy here, and today I just wanted to have some fun with some eyeshadows. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I accomplished this eye look here. It is fantastic. It's super fun. I really like the concept of doing like one eye one color, the other eye another color, switching up the bottom. Like literally I am living for this look. If you guys like couldn't tell, I love it, and I really hope you guys love it too. This is going to be one of those really quick videos where I'm just showing you guys how I do the eyes only, nothing else. If you want to see how I get the rest of this face, stay tuned for another video because I am going to show you guys how I get this full beat face with all of my favorite makeup products at the moment. So yeah, let's just jump right into today's eyes only tutorial. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The button is down there. Go ahead and click it like you know you want to, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _ it's Gillyy. Let's get to it.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything is such a meaning, every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time, keep fighting. Even if you drift and fall, look down now and still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming. Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything is such a meaning, every cloud has I change your mind? 'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. So before we dive in deeper, I wanna get to know you well. You well. And the only thing that's better is you and me together for real.
Alrighty, y'all. So this is the final eye look here. Honestly, it looks complicated. It looks like it was a lot, but this was, you know, extremely simple. I just kept using different shades of the same colors to accomplish this look. I'm obsessed with it. As always, all of the product details will be listed down below for your information and reference, of course, if you'd like to know which products that I use. But yeah, that's really gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys are enjoying these quick, fun, like makeup tutorials that I am trying to do for y'all, just to, you know, entertain you while you're stuck at home not spreading COVID. But don't let me get on my soapbox about that. Like I said, this is the end for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. But you know, before that comes up, go ahead and just subscribe to my channel down below, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's Gillyy, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.